and Abednego, stand your ground. Hello?
Amen.
Stand your ground. Because you know the God whom you are serving. The God that we serve is not pipitsugin. Hello?
Amen.
The God that we serve is mighty. The God that we serve is, He has a hand and a grace and love and faithfulness that can never be measured.
Amen.
So whatever na pinapagawa ng Panginoon sa atin, stand your ground. Dumating man
Moments